Watch. Watch. The world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? Hey, yo. Franchise the chosen one. 10-star general. You know when I come to represent, you know a full effect thing. You know it go already, you know. When I aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion, boy. Yeah. What? Are the most electrifying man pan YouTube entertainment business. You hear me, man? Hey, right about now, you know. First and foremost, you know. Big up to the reggae boys, them. But I don't like that thing that with Coach Theodore with more go on with. The man have the lone gunman on the bench, you know, the number 11, you know. And start Matax, you know, we are going like saying I'm a dancehall magla, you know. Cause me not even love the voice, but here we are going. Bless up to the reggae boys them. And I know a true Nandelo son na play. You see what I deal because I get 2 yellow card and him couldn't play, so the man not around there for hold the back the right and proper way. That's why them win. But walk with me, no man. Hear me I say, no man. Yo. I say Vybz Kartel turn dancehall upside down. When I say the man do, turn dancehall upside down. I say when the man turn dancehall upside down, yo, you see the content of them, where them bring. You don't remember the man them where they wear them pam and them bib. And them skirt and them tall socks. You don't remember them both them cheerleader boy there. Where that talk about them come for the take over. And let me tell you something. People actually believe them and them even believe themselves too. Them elude themselves in a lie and all believe all them lie. That means anybody at all even all talk. The boy them ready for cuss them out and tell them the most thing. You see what I deal with? And it becomes like a tug and war thing. Them want to use them line, you know. For be thing were predominant, you know. We thing were concrete, you know. Because Vybz Kartel concrete in a dancehall, you know. Yo, now, you know, the local man warm down, you know. And here we are going. Watch this now, you know. Well, everybody will put up them program on the internet. You know what I mean? Because I listen to JA radio in the night, and I tell you, oh, a beer ball, boy a ball. No have to do him, so we know him cool long and a teacher, the man and him not go ever be like teacher. So when the bomb buckler and never had said that long time. Why when time we not come and talk about take over and people talk about take over, you never had say, yo, listen to me. Him not big like teacher because teacher have how much years in this and him does come him and look at you in the business. Why you never had say that? But no, every boy roll along them head and a walk. Shame like Tom Dooley. Boy, shame like dog. You know what I mean? Them thing they want to get man when they think on a high ass man. Think on a right pan high ass. I'm telling you something man. The same people them want to pass go up the ladder, you know. Remember them same one and half a pass come back down, you know. So when the dust reach from my level, you know, so I got deal with it, you know. So you see all of them Mickey Mouse blogger, where what they are not talk about massacre, tone down where. Now I see every boy and him girl and him mother go review the man song. You think massacre bust in a dancehall with no gimmicks business? Where you think a lion gimmicks bust massacre? Remember massacre PM Juice in a dancehall, you know. Them use the PM Juice in a dancehall, you know. When you know all cuss him and I tell him say I'm not gonna wear, you know. Remember them use the pay them Jews in a dance. I think them you they can stop come from out of the top 10, top 5 best artists. As long as dancehall business are going and as long as him a DJ. The man they pay them Jews a concrete, the man a concrete and cement and steel. The man they are put in a dancehall, a column the man they are built. You hear that? Massacre wicked hardcore artist. Masika no lollipop artist, so when I dead there and chat up on a foolishness. I know me see every boy where that chat all them fuck every boy and them girl I run go review the man song. See him like all the whole of them I run and a black boat Vybz Kartel. I remember earlier the whole of them did with the take over, you know. Remember, you know, them did with the take over, you know. Take over what? Eh? Who not go take over? Take over what? Dancehall? You think I saw dancehall come up? Which man wanna see us come in a 2 year and take over dancehall like that? Which man you ever see that? You take over dancehall, you're not supposed to stop, my virgin. And that's something know it go, dog. And that's something know it go. And that's something know it go when the great Buju Banton come in a dancehall and Wayne Wonder call him up a sting. And when the man come a sting and rip them be argument and right after that I just be a number one. And the man control dancehall till the fullest, till the man turn all ras and gone all cold, gone all reggae and go control that. We see Bunty and Beanie Man them come, and when them come, them hold it go, them not let it go. You know what I mean? Till the general Bunty killer and it over and give Vybz Kartel. You see what I deal with? And it come like say killer, they know say this it a go on. And that's why when Vybz Kartel leave the alliance, killer did I raise one piece of ass like that because he know say yo, this little youth is a genius. You know what I mean? But when Vybz Kartel their alliance artist at be a big song. You hear me? Be a big song teacher, right? And the man them shell with the place. Wicked, wicked, wicked. And teacher left and go build up Portmore Empire and the thing shot. And people are fight against thing and the man say Gaza, shell way, hotter than where hell there. Teacher in a prison almost 8 years now. Are the wickedest of blood clot Gaza, my thing. Because I now say teacher never had a drop wicked song from a long time. But are the words I play them where I play with right now. The words them where I play with. Right now teacher ramp rough him wicked. Wicked. And then a lollipop thing. So when some boy are running a go like say them think I just rhyme and some nursery rhyme and some look at 1 and 1, 2 thing. And I'm not like that, my virgin. Well, listen what them words they mean, my virgin. Look up what them words they mean. You know what I mean? Then you know what the man I play with. You know what I mean? I'm a tune man. I'm not telling you say teacher is a man, the man burn out of space. Why you think when the man spit out lyrics, you don't have to run, go for Google in a ears? I want me to tell you, man, quick and fast, fast and quick. Quick, pop, ASAP. Right now, the wickedest me think of Gaza. And a teacher alone, just a belt out it song. Every belt man belts a it. Right now, boy, I talk about say, yo, Wiz and Shock, when you don't know a Vybz Kartel that. So all of him not do no song for all 3-4 months or 1 year. As him drop a song, you know it all go number one. Then you never know that from long time when you not talk about the takeover. When you never know that from long time when I take over. When you talk about takeover. And I talk about keep this and keep that. Keep on a ras. Someone who can keep a secret. I don't know who I deal with about the general, the 10-star one I represent, you know. I don't know I represent, I don't know.